Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert HTML website into WordPress theme. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any browser on your PC and then search WordPress. So, access the original website and the dashboard will appear on the left side. Simply take your mouse on the plugins, click on Add New, and in the search bar, search Elementor plugin. Now, a variety of plugins will appear. Simply choose one and click on Install. After that, make sure to activate it. Next, you have to get to the Post tab. After that, click on All Posts, scroll down and choose the target post. You can then click on Edit with Elementor. Now, at the left side in the search bar, search for shortcode and its widget will appear. You can then drag and drop it here. Now, the next step you have to do is to open your HTML website. Then open the body of website code, click on it, click on Edit as HTML, and then select the code from here till the end of the body. Once done, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, come back to WordPress and at the left side, paste the code. You can see that your HTML website information is now being displayed. So that's basically how you can convert HTML website into WordPress theme. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.